Good Thursday afternoon, family. This is Natalie with Simply Me Journey with Family. I wanted to show you all the project that I'm working on. I had bought this here, Max Strength Expanding Foam Seal at Walmart. 1 inch wide by 1/4 thickness and 13 feet long. And I bought this for the bathroom. And so I am working on this project now. Because when I close the door right here, when I close my boring door and I hook it, there's still a gap that someone could see in the restroom. And I was trying to find something that would take care of that problem. So family, the strip. So I'm putting the strip on now. And I'm making it as even as possible as I go down. I'm just taking my time going down. I like that it's black. It match. And this foam, this is expanding. See the thickness of it? It is expanding. And I need this to expand out to an inch, which that's what it's supposed to do. And so it is expanding. I could tell, look here. Wait, let me see. See? So as it sticks to it, as it sits, it's going to expand. And this is going to allow the closure. When I close the door, it won't allow anyone to be able to peek in. And also left that little at the top so that it can help vent out the steam when I'm showering. So sit on, come over right quick. So I'm all the way down here. Now you see this strip right here? This is the tape. This is the little strip I'm pulling off the back. Let me see. Oh, sorry about that. All right, okay, so here we go. So I'm holding my finger here. So as I slide this here back, see the clear tape? As I slide this back, I slide it down, down, down. Then okay, let's see, slide it down. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to do this with the iPad. So as I slide it down, I press it. I put my thumb here so I can make sure it's running even on the edge. Slide a little clear tape back. Press it against the wood. And bring this over just a tad bit. Okay. Yeah, I want it to be even. So, as I go down with my little, pull the clear tape down some more. Yeah, I've been out in the yard. So I'm pulling the clear tape down some more. So, and making sure it's edged up really nicely. Taking my finger, thumb, and using the edges out. I'm pulling the strips off. And let clear strip out some more. So I'm just taking my time. Like I said, I take my finger, my thumb on the end. Like that. And kind of making sure it's even with the board. With the end. Yeah, I've been outside. I had some green onions in the house. They were taking root. And they were really taking root pretty nicely. So I went today and put them in the ground. So I can see this is expanding out. And look how it looks pretty good against the wood. It's nice. The black is nice. I'm glad I was able to find it in black. So as let me see, this needs to come on just a tad bit more. Yeah, my hands are dry because I had my hands in dirt and I haven't had a chance to put any lotion on. All right, so I'm pulling my strip down some more. Pulling it down. Pulling the strip down. Pull the strip down. Then I press the foam against the door. And I'm doing it a little bit at a time because I wanted to get it nice and even. I might have to cut some of the bottom off. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to end up cutting the little bottom off. But that's fine. So I just wanted to show you all my DIY project. Trying to seal the gap with this here. What is it called? Expanding foam seal. Okay. Yeah, this is by Max Strength. And it feels pretty good. I feel like good quality stuff. So I'm going, as I like I said, I go down, press my finger, make sure it's edged up right. And I go down, pull my little clear strip down each step. I'm not being in a hurry, just taking my time to get it done so I can have it nice and even the way I want. And the foam, it is expanding. I see here it is expanding. So it's supposed to expand out at least about 1 inch. And that's going to give me just what I need for the privacy when I'm in the shower and bathroom, whatever. I don't have to worry about, because what I have been doing, I have been taking the towel and putting the towel, hooking the door and then putting the towel on here. Like so. And this is what I have been doing. I have been doing this here. Now look how that looks, family. It's going to expand out pretty good. Now I do have an extra strip. If I need to double that up, I will. But I think I'm going to give it time to expand. And once it expands out, then I can tell whether or not I need to put a second piece on top of it. But yes, this is what I'm doing for a little more privacy in the bathroom. All right, fam, this is Native Symphony Journey. Just wanted to show you all my DIY project using expanded foam seal, Max Strength. You know, you use that on your windows and things or doors or whatever. Well, I'm using on my inside door so I can have a little bit more bathroom privacy. All right, fam, this is Native Symphony Journey. You all have an awesome, blessed day. Today is Thursday, December 7th. All right, fam, bye-bye. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and share.